Welcome back to our channel. If you are a parent dreaming of providing the best education for your child abroad, then you are in the right place and at the right time. Today, we shall be discussing the five most crucial steps to prepare your child for their studies abroad in an emotional and supportive way. So let's dive right in. Point number one, research and discover together. The first step to research and discover various destinations, universities, courses. Sit down with your child, listen to their aspirations, interests, and concerns. By involving yourself in their decision making, you will not only understand their dreams but also make them feel supported and loved. Point two, emotional prep. Leaving home to study abroad can be emotionally challenging for any child. As parents, it's vital to provide a nurturing environment where they can openly express their feelings. Encourage them to talk about their fears and anxieties. Assure them that it's okay to feel nervous or homesick. Let them know you will always be there for them no matter the distance. Point number three, financial planning and budgeting. Preparing for studying abroad involves huge financial preparation. Sit down with your child and discuss the costs involved. Create a budget and explore scholarship opportunities together. Remember, it's not just about hard work and responsibility, it's about teaching them the value of money also. Financial planning, financial management is the seed of success tomorrow, the right time to sow the right seed. Next, point number four, language and cultural orientation. Living in a foreign country means embracing a new culture and language. Encourage your child to learn the language of the country they'll be studying in. This will not only help them in their day-to-day life, but also enhance their overall experience. Share stories of cultural experiences and maybe even try cooking a traditional dish together. Last but not the least, support network. Certainly, remind your child that they are not alone in this journey. Encourage them to build a support network, including connecting with other students heading to the same university or country. Additionally, staying in touch with friends and family back home can provide the much needed emotional anchor during the time abroad. Preparing your child for studying abroad is an emotional roller coaster, but it's a beautiful one. Remember, this is an opportunity for growth, for learning, and creating unforgettable memories. By following these five points, you'll be nurturing not only a successful student, but also a confident and resilient individual. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with other parents. Take care and see you in the next video.